Remainder means remainder of the remaining number of the dividing of two numbers. So let's say 5 divided by 4, and it equals 1.25, and we can say 1 is a quotient, and 0.25 is can be remaining number. So the remaining number is like that. And it 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. 0.25 is equals at the 1 divided by 4 is remaining number is an 1. So remaining number of 5 divided 4 equals 1. So, and then the computer can calculate that the number is odd or even. So, but it's not like a human. Human calculate the number is a human can say the number is odd or even, like saying 6. We can say it's even, or and 5. We can say this number is even, or but and we can say this is odd. That's 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 how we how we say the number is even or odd. But the computer decide decide say the numbers with remainders. So for example, we want to know 3 is even or odd, and computer can calculate like this. 3 remainder operator and 2, and in equals 1. So 3 divided by 2 is at 1. It is and then and we can check this is this even or odd. So if the number is 0, then it's it's a even number, but it says it's sparse, so it's a odd number. And then the answer of this question is that 11 dividing remainder of 3, and we can see the returns. And the quotient is 3, and then 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, and 11 minus 9 equals 2. The 2 is a remainder of this, so 2 is a remainder.